In today's video, we'll be learning how to tie a simple Celtic button knot adjustable paracord bracelet. Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. So, got another tutorial for you today, and as you can see, it's this simple, I wanted to call it the Celtic Ranger knot bracelet. Thought that sounds kind of cool because it's using the Ranger bead and the Celtic button knot or single strand diamond knot, whatever you want to call it. They're essentially the same knot, it's just that this knot is done over a core of 2 strands. But anyhow, super simple on this one, nice adjustable feature. You know, these knots can slide, so you can adjust it and wear it however you want. And you could add additional Ranger beads to it if you want, but we're doing this one pretty simple, just like that. They kind of look like a cherry theme. Anyhow, hope you guys will like this one. This is for those of you who like simple adjustable bracelets. So remember, if you're looking for paracord and where to get all that good stuff, you can check out my affiliate links down below. And also, huge thank you again to all my Patreon patrons. We just did our monthly giveaway and exclusive tutorial. So keep an eye out for the next one that's coming out later this month. And yeah, huge thank you to my Patreon patrons. If you want to get in on those rewards, you can check out the links down below. All right, that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so to start this bracelet, I've just got my first piece of paracord, and I'm going to start off by tying a single strand diamond knot or the Celtic button knot on one end. Okay, so let's take our piece of paracord. We're going to start off by making a loop like so. We're going to start off by making a loop, so you can start closer to the end on the left. So make a loop like so, and then do another loop. So crossing on top like so, and then take your paracord and do a second loop. Like so. Okay, so we've got 2 loops and they're crossing over in the middle. Then you're going to take your paracord on the end on this side. You're going to go over the first one, under and through the middle, over and then under. Okay, so that's what you want there. So over, under, over, under. Okay, and then bring this to the other side. So bring this end around here. You see how you've got this little opening in the middle? You're going to go underneath these 2 strands. So through this opening, and then bring it out through the middle, like so. Okay. And then from here, you're going to bring everything together like that, and just start cinching it all together. So now we cinch all the excess out. Okay, so we have our diamond knot. Now before you tighten it fully, you want to get this all the way to one end. So at this point, it doesn't matter which end, just bring it all the way to one end. So I'm going to work the slack all the way through. So look for this strand that's connected to here, right? So pull this strand all the way through, almost all the way, don't yank it all the way out, and then work that slack all the way through your knot so that the knot is at the end of the rope. Okay, so now that this is all the way at the end, you can pull it tight, and you can just leave that little tail there for now. So we've tied the first button knot. Now I'm gonna have to tie a second one. So just kind of to give yourself an idea of how much you need or where the placement will be, just double your bracelet over like so, just wrap it around. And this is going to be the circumference of your bracelet. So that way I know that I need my diamond knot, my second one, maybe right about here. But you can adjust it after, okay? So this will be the measurement of your wrist. Now, from at this point, I know it's right about here where I need it. But you can always just adjust it after. In fact, I'm probably going to need to give myself a little more. So we're just going to tie the second diamond knot. So do the same process. Okay, 2 loops, like so. Go over, under, over. Okay. Bring this around. Go in through here and out through the middle. Okay. Now we're going to cinch that up. Okay, so we have our second diamond knot tied, and this is the rough kind of sizing of my bracelet. Now I'm going to take another piece of paracord, and you're just going to hold this end here. We'll deal with the other side later. So we're going to tie the ranger bead now. So the way we do that is we have our other piece of paracord. You're going to lay it on top like so, and then you're going to bring it behind and over like that. So make a loop around, and then from here take this strand, go under and over and in front. So you have this kind of like a figure 8. Okay, so this is where you want to be. Now from here, take the same long strand and go through this opening here, all the while keeping this together. Okay, like so. This is where you should be. Now, to continue, you're going to turn this whole thing around like so, so that the short end is facing you. Now, I've got 2 loops here. You want to cross them over and put the left under the right, like so. Okay? And at that point, take that long strand and go through that opening and out, like so. Now, you see how I have an X here? Take that short strand, just tuck it underneath and out to the other side. Okay, and there you go. There is the ranger bead. Now we're just going to cinch it up. So get that knot fully tight, okay? And try to get it as tight as possible, because that's going to give you that tension you need to hold the bracelet together. So just cinch all the excess out. Okay, so I got that first ranger bead tied. So that's done. We'll cut off the excess later. Now next, you can guess what I'm going to do. Just go around to the other side and do the same thing. So I'm just going to tie another ranger bead here. Okay, so I'm just going to do that same process. Yeah, do the same knot, and then we'll be just about done. And one last thing before you snip and cinch off your excess, make sure you can fit your wrist through the bracelet at its maximum opening. So right now this is a bit small, so I have that excess here. So I'm just going to pass a bit more excess through to this loop, and I'll size it properly. So just do that and then snip off all the excess. Okay, and there we have it, guys. We are done. So the bracelet, I snipped off all the excess, and this bracelet's ready to go. So super simple, adjustable. If you're a fan of the button knots or single strand diamond knots, I think you'll like this one. And you can add extra ranger beads if you want. You don't have to. You can just keep it simple and have two. Do whatever you like. All right. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, if you like this video, feel free to hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. And also, if you're not subscribed already, feel free to subscribe for more paracord videos. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.